We're talking about solving radical equations and radical inequalities. And right now we're solving radical equations. And there's some steps that we can follow in order to get this done. The first thing is we need to isolate the variable. So for this example, the first thing that we have to do is get the cube root radical by itself. So we're going to subtract 3. And that will give us x plus 2 to the 2/3. And that is equal to 4. And now in order to get rid of this exponent up here, we have to do the inverse of that. So instead of 2/3, we have to take this whole thing, raise it to the 3/2 power. So we can do the 3/2 on both sides. 3/2. So our 3 cancels our 3, our 2 cancels our 2. And on the left side, we're just left with x plus 2, and that's equal to the square root of 4 is 2, and then 2 cubed, that becomes 8. So we took the square root of 4, that is equal to 2, and then we said 2 cubed is equal to 8. That's how we got there. Next thing, you have to get the variable by itself, so we subtract 2 from both sides, and we get x is equal to 6. And then the last step in the process, we have to check to make sure that what the solution we found is a solution. So 6 plus 2 raised to the 2/3 plus 3, and we want to check to make sure that's equal to 7. So 4, or 8 to the 2/3. 6 plus 2 is 8. The cube root of 8 is 2. 2 squared is 4. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 equals 7. So 6 is the solution.